Indian Institute of Management, Rohtak, has continued its tradition of introducing a one-of-a-kind program that gives an opportunity to new generation to try out different fields and provide plenty of platforms to excel. The Integrated Program in Law, IPL, is one of such programs which provides in-depth knowledge of business management and law. The institute provides world-class infrastructure and technologically equipped classrooms to facilitate peer-to-peer learning. The program is affiliated and recognized by Bar Council of India. As law students, reading is seen as a primary method for gaining knowledge. IIM Rohtak has taken very good care of this by setting up an extensive library of books that a law student will need throughout their journey, as well as an e-learning library which provides online access to various law journals and research papers. Apart from holistic academic development, IIM Rohtak has provided ample chances for extracurricular activities and encourages participation. Frequent international conferences, workshops, guest sessions, moot courts and activities performed by Legal Aid Clinic among various other activities become an important part of progress in acumen development for students, giving a variety of learning and growth possibilities. While fostering our minds through academic rigor, physical health is also encouraged, and the gym complex is embodiment of that encouragement, which facilitates to suit every type of workout and outdoor games. The hostel rooms are maintained in best way possible, ensuring comfort and cleanliness. The mess is guaranteed to exceed expectation in terms of nutrition, taste and quality. We will be delighted to be a part of your journey at IIM Rohtak. IIM Rohtak starts the registration for second batch of IPL program. From 28th February 2022, CLAT examination score will be considered for shortlisting the candidates.